What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Today is going to be a real short video. I just wanted to get something out for you guys because we just had a big moment on the channel. Last night we finally hit 100 subscribers, which in the scheme of things is pretty small, but to be honest, it feels awesome. I started this channel about 3 months ago, a little over, and to already be at 100 subscribers is absolutely awesome. I cannot thank you guys enough. So like I said, today's video is going to be super short. I wanted to get out here and thank you guys for sticking along. If this is the first time you've seen this channel or seen the video, please subscribe, follow along. We got a lot of cool content. Main videos, or main vehicle of the channel is my 7.3 Power Stroke. She's my baby. I've been doing a lot of work to her. We got some fun mods coming up here pretty soon. I got a couple injectors going out, which sucks, but that also means that we get to do some upgrades to it and put some bigger sticks in there. So that'll be coming super soon. I'm hoping to get that to you guys within the next week. We'll see when I can get some time to put them in, but hopefully pretty soon. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. I'm super appreciative. I'm having a lot of fun working on this channel, watching this channel grow. I can't wait to see where this next year takes the channel. I got a lot of stuff I want to do to this thing. Not enough money to do it, but that comes in time. But nonetheless, thank you guys very much. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a cold start because it seems like everybody enjoys a nice little cold start. Might be a little bit of rough with my injectors going out in this cold, but we'll get her fired up for you guys and see how she does. Well, there we go, guys. She fired up a little better than I expected. We're letting her warm up for a little bit. She's in high idle right now. It's not super cold, but it's in the low 30s. Looks like we got some snow coming in today and through the night. Hopefully we'll get some good snow and we can have a little fun in this thing. But like I said, thank you guys very much. I honestly can't thank you guys enough. When I started this channel, I didn't know how well it was going to do. I'm not a big public speaker kind of guy, so I didn't know how I was going to be able to do it, but the channel's growing slowly but surely. I wanted to thank you guys for tagging along. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm really looking forward to what this year's bringing. I can't wait to bring you guys along with us. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave me a comment what you'd like to see done to this old girl, and I'll catch you on the next video.